Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another dumpster diving video. So let's see if we can find anything. We're going to try Ulta again and see what we can find. So here we are. Oh, you're trying with that bag?
Yep. Okay, so it was too open over there, so we got our car and we're gonna check it because you never know if there's anything in there. So, and then whatever it is, we'll just take this bag back to our house and throw it in the trash. It's not really a big deal. Might just be a bunch of boxes, but it doesn't hurt to check.
There's a lid to a benefit.
Alright, so we just got to the other spot from the other one where we didn't get anything. And we're gonna hop in and we're gonna check it.
It's Bath and Body Works.
Okay, so we just got in here and we hit like the low of all candles. This one doesn't even look like it's cracked. Oh, there's like some wet juiciness now down there. Looks like candles melted. We'll keep looking.
We're gonna be going to Bath and Body Works, Ulta, and try and look in TJ Maxx, but it looks really full, so we'll try and like go through it and see what we can find.
Okay, so we're digging right now. And we just got this stuff.
Devin, stop. Oh, there's bugs. Oh my god, Devin. Put it down, put it down.
Alright, so we're still in the dumpster. So far we've got a lot of perfumes and stuff. It looks like they just took the caps off the top, but we caught a couple caps out of the bags and we're just gonna reuse them.
Alright guys, so we are out of Bath & Body Works and we got a pretty good haul. I think this is our best Bath & Body Works haul. We got a lot of stuff, but our bag broke, so we had to put it in this bin that I have in my car. So we're gonna go home and clean it all off, and then we'll show you what we got in our haul. So, yeah. It looks pretty dry. Oh, it's stinky. It's empty. Well, that was Pet Supermarket. Yeah, stank real bad though. Alright guys, so we are back and they are all nice and cleaned. So we got this brown sugar and figs perfume. They did cut some of them off, but these are not cut, so you could just take another cap and put them on them. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I have brown sugar and fig. Their new spring summer collection, Tahati, Pink Lily, and Bamboo. This one is pretty full. And then we have our holiday stuff, which is gonna be gingerbread latte, which I actually found the body wash to this a couple, I don't know if it was my last dumpster diving video, but it looks like they did cut it off. So I could just take, when the other perfumes that I have are done, I could just take the actual lid off and just replace it. And then I have Winterberry Wonder, and then I also got 2 of those. But I don't remember seeing this when it was holiday time or on their website at all, actually. But I got 2 of those, and those are actually, both of them are full. That one's a little bit used. You can't even really tell. It's a little bit, this one is full, basically. But that's what I got so far. Okay, so the next batch of stuff, I got the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flowers. This one is almost empty. It's like right at that line, but I can still use it. Then we got another one of these, and this one is like half, a little bit less than half. We have Havana tropical vanilla and cherry moya, something like that. And we got Twilight Wood. This one is full, but with these 3 they cut the little tabs off, this little thing, but this one they did not. We have Bali Black Coconut Sand. This one is a little less than full, and then this one is completely full, and this is the Vanilla Bean Noel. And then we also got this. This is like a little aromatherapy spray that you could put on your pillows, just spray in the air. And this one's supposed to create a sense of harmony. And I don't have no clue to say that, so I'm not even gonna try. So the next stuff that we got is, we actually got the Super Rich Moisturizing Body Wash. This is in 1,000 Wishes, and then we also got the lotion. So those are both in the same scent. And then we also got this ginger and cardamom, something like that. Fine fragrant mix, not mix. I'm not sure if this is, it's essential oils line, but I'm not sure if this is supposed to be sprayed on the body or the other one's supposed to be sprayed on pillows and stuff like that. But this smells actually really similar to the gingerbread latte perfume. So if you like that perfume, you should try this out and see if you guys like it. So we have the Wahahiti Beach Coconut. This is the fine mist. This is a little bit, this is probably halfway full. And then we have one of our fall scents in the travel size, which is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And these 2 were missing their pumps, but I actually found them in the bag, so those just popped right back on. And then moving on to the next batch. All right, so back to the wall plugs. We always find wall plugs, so we actually found this butterfly one of the regular ones, and then this one is kind of almost new, like I haven't seen this one before. So that one's super cute. And then we found one of their spring wallflowers. This is the Perfect Spring. That one's full, hasn't been opened yet. And then we found 2 candles. Oh, I also forgot we did find this little chrome one in the garbage can. And then we also found 2 candles, which is what we found right when we got home. So this one is Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit and Winter scented candle. This one is, there's nothing wrong with it actually. It's not even broke. But yeah, me and my brother were running low, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna keep this one. Okay. So that's it for today's haul. This is everything that we got right here. So yeah. Guys, that is the end of today's dumpster diving video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe and turn the post notification on so you can get notified when I post a new video, which I'm gonna try and do weekly, which hasn't been really working out too well for me, but I'm gonna try, okay? And also big news, we hit 1,000 subscribers, so yay! I'm super excited. I never would have thought that we would get that far, but we did. We hit 1,000 subscribers. We're actually at like 1,029, I think. I'll have to look, but we did really good actually. So I'm gonna be having a little giveaway, not in this video, but in a future video. I'm getting everything together and put in a box. That way we could just pick someone and then it'd be sent on its way and we don't have to like wait a long period of time, because I already have it ready and prepared for you. So definitely make sure to like. So make sure to like and subscribe so you could watch my future videos and be part of our future 1,000 giveaway, which will be put into another dumpster diving. So probably the next dumpster diving video will be a giveaway. So giving you guys a heads up, so you better subscribe to my channel so you could be the lucky winner. All right, remember, you guys are beautiful and I love you guys.